Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be unlike anything that I've ever filmed. You guys know that my channel is beauty related, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, etc. But today we are talking about the famous lemonade master cleanse. So if you guys follow me on Snapchat, I know that you guys know that about a week ago I posted a picture of a big old gallon filled with weird stuff and everybody just went crazy. You guys were asking me, what is that? What are you drinking? What are you doing? What's in it? And honestly, you guys blew me away because I didn't think anybody was interested. But tons of you were asking me, what is this detox that you're doing? We want to know more. And I tried to answer to every single one of you. I even posted a screenshot of the ingredients and you guys were still curious. So I was like, you know what? Mama's gonna sit down, I'm gonna film, and I'm gonna talk about it. So here we are to talk about what it did for me. Did I lose weight? And so on and so forth. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to get to the nitty gritty. So first things first, what is the Lemonade Master Cleanse? So it's a mixture of lemon juice, water, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup. So what this drink is supposed to do is it's supposed to jumpstart your metabolism. Now, because of the maple syrup and the cayenne pepper, it gives you enough calories and energy for you to have throughout the day, which is why I still had energy. I literally did not feel like super tired at all. Day 2 was definitely the hardest for me. It was horrible. I was so close to quitting, but I was like, you can do this, Karina. You can do it. So I did not give up. I had a horrible headache on day 2, like literally all through here. Chingada madre, me dolía. My head was hurting so bad. Day 1 was okay. Day 2 again was horrible. Day 3 and 4 and 5 were a breeze. Now you guys know that lemon has citric acid. Now citric acid, that's going to help flush out all the toxins. If you don't want to do this for the weight loss, do it just to cleanse your body, to get rid of all the toxins. You can do it for a day. You can do it for 2 days. There's people that have done it for 30 days. I don't know how, because I was thinking about pizza and tacos on day 2, literally. And then obviously the maple syrup is unprocessed. So whenever you're doing this diet, if you want to do it, I don't want to call it diet, it's more of a cleanse because it's cleansing your body. If you guys want to do it, make sure that you are picking up either grade A or grade B organic maple syrup because that is the most unprocessed. Your body needs sugar, obviously, to stay energized throughout the day. So that's why, again, I didn't feel like toda mensa all day because I had the maple syrup to give me the energy to pretty much keep going throughout the day. When I was doing research about the Master Cleanse, I read somewhere that the reason why cayenne pepper is really good for helping you lose weight is because when your body takes spicy, it increases like the temperature level of your body, therefore like it makes you lose weight, which I thought was kind of silly because if you guys are Mexicans like me, like I grew up eating chile. Like my mom made chile, my abuelita made chile, I make chile, my suegra makes super spicy chile. So I'm so used to eating really spicy food and I still have big lonjas. So I don't know if I believe that whole cayenne pepper because it's spicy and makes you lose weight thing. So now that you know kind of what it is, I'm not the very best at explaining it. Again, please do your own research. Don't go based off of what I'm saying. This is just my personal experience. This was my first time doing it. Definitely won't be my last because again, I really like the results that I saw from my detox. So what you're gonna need is 1 gallon of water. Doesn't matter what brand, whatever you like. I preferred purified drinking water. This is the one that I currently have. Now this isn't the detox. I am no longer doing it because I am done with it. I just have a few slices of lemon in here and I'm just chugging a gallon of water every single day. But you're gonna need 1 of these. You're also gonna need 1 cup of maple syrup. Again, make sure that it's organic, grade A or grade B. And then you're also going to need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and another cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then after that, you just put it all in here, put the tapadera back on, just shake it, go about your day and drink it. Again, this is more of a fast, so you do not eat anything. You cannot eat anything because it's a detox. You're cleaning your body from all those nasty things you've been putting in it. So by you eating a hamburger, it's really not gonna help. So again, you guys can do it for however many days. You don't feel like you have to do it for the 5 days that I did it. If you want to only do it one day and you want to do it once a month, by all means do it. I also got asked a lot if I lost weight. Now, when I first started it, the first day that I did the cleanse, I weighed myself in the morning. That's when they say that you should weigh yourself because you don't have any food in your system. So I weighed myself first thing in the morning and I was at 137 pounds. And on day 3, when I weighed myself, because I was like dying of curiosity, I had already lost 5 pounds. So within 3 days, I lost 5 pounds. Now, I don't know, and I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys. It could be water weight. It could be actual fat loss. But 5 pounds, honey, I will take it. Besides the 5 pounds that I lost, I did notice that my skin complexion is a lot smoother. It does look a lot more clean. My husband was just saying that my eyes look a lot brighter, like more white. And it could be very true because I do have a little bit of like yellowish eyes. I've always noticed that. I don't know why. I've read about it and it says that it may have something to do with your colon. So the detox does help with cleansing your colon. So who knows? I really don't know what else to talk about. I talked about what the cleanse is, what you need, and the results that I personally saw. Again, make sure that you do research. There's tons of YouTube videos. Like I found so many. Do your own research and decide for yourself if you want to do it, how many days you want to do it, and I don't know, maybe it'll be a good test for you. Now, if you don't want to do it, I do want to challenge you guys to drink a gallon a day with me. If you guys want to send me Snapchats, if you want to send me Instagram pictures or Facebook pictures, go ahead and do it. 2018 is definitely a year that I really want to try and be a better, healthier person for myself, and I'm starting off the year by drinking tons of water because I usually don't. So if you guys want to do that challenge, let me know. And yeah, I think that is everything for this video. If I forgot to mention anything, which I don't think I am, but leave me a comment down below. You guys know that I always answer to you, like 90% of the time. I'm on my computer just answering back to you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that maybe I inspired some of you to, even if it's just to drink a gallon of water a day. I hope this video was some sort of inspiration to somebody watching. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.